Thanks for the call, Kenny. Time to take a break. There's more on the house with you after this. Welcome to the On the House studio and workshop. When Brother Morris and I aren't out banging nails helping folks convert their home improvement dreams into reality, we're helping people all across the U.S. repair and maintain their piece of the great American dream. When it came time to remodel 604 2nd Street, our historic renovation, one of the important things we needed to do was maximize the limited space that we had for wardrobe, closets, and storage. That's why we reached out to the folks at Organized Living. They have a host of solutions for homeowners and builders that will maximize the amount of storage space available so that you can squeeze every square inch out of the available space. The Freedom Rail system that we incorporated into the 604 2nd Street project is completely convertible, so that if the homeowner's needs change from time to time, they may simply reconfigure the system to best meet their needs. From a builder's perspective, the product is easy to install and adds terrific value to an overall project. As a builder that does design, we need to be sensitive to a client's budget to make sure that we're not spending too much money on space and that we're doing everything that we possibly can to effectively utilize the space that they have, especially when that comes to storage and organization. And that's why we incorporated Organized Living product into our project. It gave us the most that we could squeeze out of every closet and storage space to give our homeowner the best in value.
My name is Teresa Finnegan. I'm the Director of Marketing with Organized Living. We help people organize their lives. Organized Living is very proud to partner with the Carey brothers on the 604 2nd Street project. We know the homeowners will love it, and we're excited to see the finished product.
Some closet, storage, or wardrobe organization systems can be complex and difficult to install. That's not the case with Organized Living. They're easy to install, and when complete, they look absolutely spectacular. They make our completed project look great, and our customers are elated with the finished product.
When I move into this home, I'm finally going to be organized with the great closet organizing system that's in place, and I'm really excited about that.
If you'd like more information on Organized Living, visit organizedliving.com.